Happy holidays and welcome back for another video. My name is Caitlin and I hope you all are having a great day today. Today we will be making peppermint bark. This is part 3 of my 12 Days of Christmas cookie series. I know it's not really a cookie, but go with it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the awesome recipes that I have coming up. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your double boiler. If you have a double boiler, that's great. If you don't, I'm using a saucepan and a metal bowl. As long as the water in the saucepan does not touch the metal bowl, everything should be fine. This is a setup I've used a couple times and it's always worked well for me. After you have this set up and the water is boiling, you're going to want to add your chocolate chips. A whole 60-ounce bag of chocolate chips. Once the chocolate has melted, you can add 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract and give it a nice little stir. Once your chocolate is melted, you're going to want to transfer it to a glass or metal. You can use either baking dish, and I lined it with aluminum foil because that makes it easier to get out at the end. Make sure you spread it out nice and evenly across the bottom, or else you're going to have one section with a lot more chocolate, dark chocolate in it, or milk chocolate in it than the others. And once it's all spread out, put it in the fridge or freezer to chill. Our next step is to take a toothpick and marble things through. If you don't want to do this step, you don't have to. I just think it makes it look a little prettier to have those swirls in there. And once everything is marbled, you can set it aside and grab candy canes. We have 4 candy canes in a plastic bag, and I have a rolling pin. And what I'm going to do is just break them up. We can take a handful of the candy cane and sprinkle it on top. And ta-da! Now this goes into the refrigerator until it is fully set and cooled down, between an hour and a half. But you can, as long as it's covered, you can leave it in there really as long as you need to, and then take it out right before you're about to serve it and cut it up into little pieces. Alright, here they are. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!